The Xbox One X is just a little over a month away, and Microsoft revealed most of the important details about the console in the past few weeks. A new video that's been recently made available, however, also reveals what the company still has to. A new Xbox One X teardown video, which can be watched below, has been recently made available by Linus Tech Tips, giving viewers an in-depth look at the soon-to-release console. In a recent interview, Xbox's Albert Pinello talked about the Xbox One X and what it means for the industry. It's its own thing, it's a new thing. That's what I think is cool about it. If you step outside the console, people are faced with choice on literally everything in life. Why is there a 4-cylinder, a 6-cylinder, and an 8-cylinder? If you're a car guy, why are there 2 washing machines? Why are there phones that are different sizes? Most people figure out what their value is for what they want to spend. It's only consoles that have lived in this very fixed, singular consumer electronics mode, and that's why I don't think it's going to be as confusing for people as the industry is making it out to be. I think people will be able to figure out where they care about tech, where they are with price, and what is important to them with gaming. They're going to be able to make a decision. The Xbox One X launches in North America and Europe on November 7th.